Hello everyone and welcome back in the People's Republic of Bulgaria. We are here once again directly from Sofia in Bulgaria to find with you the best stuff about the Cold War era. Today we will make a presentation about the PGO-7 Scope. Yeah, you heard me right, the PGO-7 Scope, which is used on the RPG grenade launcher. Guys, it will be an amazing video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, as usual, this video it's not about politics, it is only about history, it is only about militaria, it is only about collection, guys. Don't forget about it, and we will see it together right now. So today we will see the PGO-7 scope, which has been made by OMZ factory here in Bulgaria. OMZ, which stands for Optical Mechanician Zavod, which means in English optical mechanical fabrics. It is a fabrics which has been established here in Bulgaria since 1948. It is still working today, guys. I hope I can make some visit one day with you. So it is a 2x8 scope. It is not a big zoom because it's used on the rocket launcher, which are not supposed to shoot that much so far away. And yeah, we will see it together right now. As usual, it is behind my back, guys. No worry, I have it for you here. Here it is. So here is the Bulgarian pouch for the Bulgarian made PGO-7 scope for RPG rocket launcher, RPG-7, sorry. So it is a very simple pouch. As you can see here, it is a bit broken, so I do not close it properly. I keep it like this, so this still alive as much time as I can, guys. If you have some tips to protect those, let me know about it, because I really want to conserve as much as I can. It is a very precious piece of history for me. I really would like to keep it more longer, of course, but it is as you can see, a bit broken, let's say. Okay, so the pouch itself, we will open it directly on the table. It will be better. Let's meet on the table, guys. Here we are, guys, once again on the table. So we will see right now the PGO-7 scope for the RPG rocket launcher. So we will see this Bulgarian made. Okay, so what we have here in the pouch, which is very hard, as you can see here, it's kind of broken. I will try to keep it like this as much as I can. So here we have the PGO-7 scope for the RPG-7 rocket launcher. So here is the beast. As you can see, it is almost brand new. So okay, here is the scope. What we have here, so here is the fixation system. Here we are. So you put it on the rail and then you lock it up like this. Here is the battery. The battery, when it's dark, you don't have that much luminosity. You turn it on like this and the inside will be red. Of course, as you can see, it is here some parts are missing for the reticule, I guess. Yeah, it is here broken. The lightning system here is broken, so it will not work, but Here is the battery, and you put it up, it's working. Down it's for normal day. Up it's when it's dark, so it will be red inside. Here is the scope. Here is the forehead part, so you can put here your head and take a look inside. And here is the marks. You already saw those marks from my previous video, the video from the Bulgarian Peoples Army binocular, the OMZ factory, which has been established in 1948 in Sofia and which is still working today. And here the serial number. So you probably know this scope. It is in many games, it is still in use in many conflicts. We will right now open here what we have here in the pocket. So this is a typical Cold War era pouch from the Cold War. So what we have here, one cable which is used to here charge the battery, I guess. As you can see, the battery is missing, or maybe like this. Yeah, to use it locally, let's say. So you have here the cable. So you can like put this on your pants or somewhere, and then use the scope with the extended battery, let's say. If someone know more about it, as usual guys, feel free to correct me, feel free to share your information with the community. Here we are. So the cable, this to clean the optic most probably, and here is something here which is the tool, I guess. This is a tool to, oh sorry, you don't see. So here is the tool for typical Soviet tools with the typical paper here. Let's check if we can use it somewhere. Yeah, here. So this is for maintenance tool. If you have to open the scope in order to clean it or to repair it, here you can use it literally for every screw. Here is the optical stuff. I do not want to touch it that much. And yeah, I hope you will enjoy the video. Don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. And of course guys, if you have more information, be free to share with the community. We are here for learning, we are here for sharing. So yeah, hope you will enjoy this video, and let's see you again guys. Here is the inside of the scope. It is very bright, very clear for a old scope like this. It is very perfect. Yeah guys, see you.